Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In the previous videos we saw installation of Suricata and sending Suricata logs to Vazo as well. So in today's video we will see how we can block any malicious IP using Suricata. So for that we need few things to be set up first. First we need a abuse IPDB account. So I'll go back to my browser. I will go to abuse IPDB. So and I'll click on login here and I have a username and password. You can create your own account as well, and create a account and go to API section and create a API key first. So I'll name this key to be test_1. So later on I'll delete this API key. That's copy this. I'll copy this, and now what we'll do is we'll go to our code editor. So this is the code which we will be using to get all the malicious IP from abuse IPDB, and these IPs we will write a rule set telling that drop the IP address, print out a message telling blocked malicious IP, and my API key over here. And let me save this file and I'll copy everything. I'll copy the code, and now let's go to our Ubuntu machine. So before that, let's check if Suricata is running. Before that, I'll go to sudo user, sudo su systemctl status Suricata. So we can see Suricata is running right now. Now what we'll do is before that, let's install python 3 apt install. So python 3 is installed. Let me now install pip as well. So let the pip install. So pip is installed. Let me exit the sudo user once and the screen. Pip install request. Now I'll create a Python file named as malicious IP. Malicious_ip.py, and let me go back to my code editor. I'll copy the code and I'll paste the code here. So let's see what exactly is happening here. So first we are initializing malicious IP, and here a API key is being given and URL of the API. So from abuse IPDB API we will get out all the blacklisted IPs. So these blacklisted IPs will be stored into malicious IPs in a format of array. So this will be passed here to update Suricata rules. Malicious IP, the array will be passed here. This array will be fetched here, and so each and every IP, for each and every IP, so a drop command will be written. So I will be getting a message stating block malicious IP and the IP address. So let's check the working of this code. Let me save this file and run it. So for that, let's go to the sudo user, python 3 malicious IP spy. So we can see 10,000 malicious IPs are being fetched. So for that, now once again let me go to the code. Let's see what. So we have to go to the directory /var/lib/suricata/rules. So here this is in this directory all the rules files for the Suricata are being set. So let me copy this path and let me clear the screen. Let me go in here. So we can see blocked IPs.rules. There's a file. Let me nano into this file. So here we can see drop IP and IP address any and blocked malicious IP. So let me save this file now. Once this file is saved, now let's go to the directory /etc/suricata. Now let's edit the suricata.yaml file. In here, let's come to the end of the file. So let the default rule path be /var/lib/suricata/rules. If you have followed the previous video where we changed the default rule path to /etc/suricata for sending logs of Suricata to Wazoo. If you don't require to send logs and you just want to test it right now, you can change the path to /var/lib/suricata/rules, or else just move the rules path which you rules file which you have created right now to the directory where you want to set the rules path. So, and after that, so here I have to add, since I'll be keeping my /var/lib/suricata/rules, so I have already suricata dot rules has been added. Now I need to add blog_ips dot rules. So let me save this file. Once the file is saved, I'll run suricata update command. So we can see update is done. Now let me restart Suricata systemctl. Let me clear the screen. Systemctl restart Suricata. So now let's check if the rule file is working. So tail -f. So the logs are stored in /var/log/suricata/fast.log. Yeah. So if you see here, for now we don't have any. So okay, now what we'll do is, let's get the rule file /var/lib/rules/blog/ip.rules. So let me copy IP address. Okay, I'll copy this IP address 172. No, let me go with this address 101.126.4.240. Let me clear this. Let me try to ping this IP. So we can see the ping is successful. Now let's check here. So since I was pinging here, the IP address has been blocked here. So we can see blocked malicious IP over here. So this is how the Suricata actually works. If you want to check out the documentation of the video, I have provided it in the description. In the documentation, I have also given the code for the fetching the IPs from Abuse IPDB. You can check it out from the description, and if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel. It will really help me. Thank you.